When it feels like the rest of the world is moving so fast, there is always time to slow down, where priorities and schedules take a back seat, and rays from the sky determine what today may bring. To set up, to settle down, finding comfort in the calm around you. Time to enjoy the simpler things, like the smell of a grill or the sounds of nature that fill the air. When summer's night rekindles friendships, making each passing moment tomorrow's lasting memories. Put the day-to-day aside, finding peace and comfort at your home away from home with QwikCamp.